Alright guys, today working on a 2002 Dodge 1500 van. Just got done putting a PCM in it, a computer in it. It was causing the vehicle to be a crank no start. It had no communication from the PCM, from the control module, and it had a no bus message up on the dash. So I verified the powers to the PCM, I verified the grounds to the PCM, and I verified the network communications to the PCM. I have another video doing the same test, so I didn't bring you guys along for the ride on that. So got the new PCM in, got rid of the no bus message on the cluster. One thing I did want to show you guys is I got the Diagun, again, Diagun IV. Once you put a new PCM on these Chryslers, you have to put the VIN, you have to write the VIN into the new module. So this is the first time doing it on the Diagun, putting the VIN in on a Chrysler. So I guess let's see if it will do this test. Alright, so here's the main menu. I am back out of this. Went into the powertrain control module, PCM. Just to show you guys, the no bus message down there where the odometer is currently out, so that's a good sign. Alright, so let's see here. I'm gonna assume it's probably under special functions. Check PCM VIN. So we're gonna check it. It's gonna pull what VIN is inside the vehicle currently, and it's blank. So we want to, so it's asking current VIN, showing nothing. Write VIN question mark? Yes, we want to write. So now it pops up to where we can enter the VIN. Alright, so let's do that. I can find the VIN. H 6H B 11Y 92K 13 4 0 2 0. Alright, so we got the VIN entered. Press OK. Press OK again. VIN write successful. Alright. So let's go back. Let's just verify. I went back into check VIN. And it pulled up the current input. VIN is valid. Okay. Alright. So now the moment of truth. Vehicle starts right up. So pretty quick and easy, guys. I mean, I showed you one way on my other video, inserting the VIN with the Drew Technologies Cardaq in the toolbox program that Drew provides, and yeah, that's it. So the Diagun wins again. I mean, it was able to write the VIN and install this new module with no subscriptions to Tech Authority to update the PCM or any of that stuff. So I know the Zeus, the SnapOn Zeus, sometimes will write, depending on the year, make, and model. Other times it won't. So again, $600 and some for that Diagun. I'm happy with that purchase. So that alone is, I'm stoked. So thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next time. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot. See you again.